蘇醬炒蘿蔔糕嘛。
係咯。
呢度啊，我最中意係有兩對筷子啊嘛，一個係公筷攞嚟夾餸，一個係自己食嘅，OK？
Okay.
咁我會乾淨。
There's a lot of table manners here. Right, Mom?
Yeah.
This one is my mom's favorite. It's called Thai Gok Fong Zhao. And we got two.
佢以前你哋細個嗰時嗰啲係咁長，可能佢兩碟係一碟。
There's definitely more like 10 years ago.
食㗎。
It's called inflation. My dad likes this one. This is herbal soup, chicken feet.
呢湯好好啊，對身體好啊。飲完。
I'm doing a little brainstorm session today by myself because I launched the Adult Gap Year series. It's like a short form series where I give weekly updates about how my journey is going. And honestly, I thought that it would perform a little bit better. It's not doing poorly, but it's just not growing in the way that I would want to see it grow. And I was talking to my talent manager last night about how sometimes rigid of a person I feel like I am, because I announced very broadly and confidently that I will have weekly updates about my journey. So in my mind, I'm like, okay, since I broadly announced that I was doing this thing, I have to stick to it for the next 52 weeks. But when I was regurgitating these thoughts to her, I just realized how dumb I sounded, because one of the core concepts in tech is to build fast and ship early to get signal and feedback and learn how to iterate. And definitely content is this way too. I think I'm just a very emotional person, and I'm so emotionally invested in this product, quote unquote, that I've built, or like this format or this series. Even though it's only been like 5 to 6 weeks, I feel so invested because I spent months brainstorming and planning this, and I launched it and it's just not doing as well as I expected. So I need to take that as a signal and rethink. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing for the next 1 to 2 hours. I do feel like I think too much, and sometimes I'm just caught in this brainstorming phase versus like the action phase. So I need to hold myself accountable on that. But after this little work session, I have dinner plans with a friend that I haven't seen since I came back, so I'm really excited to see her. And that's just going to be my day. I also have a meeting later tonight too. The time difference has been really messing with my work schedule in a way, because sometimes I'll have meetings like from 9 to like anywhere up until like midnight. Guangzhou is a whole 12 hours ahead of New York. While I'm in the depths of brainstorming, I'd like to take a moment to thank Built for sponsoring this portion of today's video. Built is the rewards program for your home that rewards you with points on every rent and mortgage payment wherever you live. And honestly, as someone who's been using Built since 2024, it's been really useful for me because there are so many different ways to redeem the points. I actually used my Built points to help book my flight to China for this trip. You can also redeem points for things like hotels, Lyft rides, fitness classes, Amazon purchases, future housing payments, and more. Something else they recently launched is the Neighborhood Concierge, which every Built member gets access to. What's cool is that it doesn't just give recommendations, it can actually take action for you. So it can even help with things like booking restaurant reservations, scheduling Lyft rides, booking fitness classes, arranging grocery deliveries, and even booking flights and hotels. And because it's connected to your neighborhood and thousands of partners across the country, it gets more personalized over time based on your preferences. Especially with how much I've been traveling lately, I've genuinely appreciated being able to keep earning points tied to my home back in New York. Learn more by clicking the link in my description, and make sure to use my link so they know I sent you. 那我要一个大概，对，然后一半巧克力，一半抹茶。Oh my gosh, guys! I found a Mr. Wish store. These are the best lashes ever.
请问这个跟这个有什么？这个淡一点。
She put on the top lashes too. It looks so good. 我啱啱想講嘢，你又嚟。唔係，我以為你喺嗰邊。I'm at dinner with my friend Cindy. Some of you guys might recognize her from the previous China vlogs. And guess what? She didn't tell me she got married. She got married 3 months ago. 4 months ago. 4 months ago. And I had to find out, just look like stalking her WeChat. She didn't even have a post. It was like her banner photo.
I have the post,
Have a post?
but it was like just for 1 month, so maybe.
Oh, so I didn't see it?
Yeah.
Oh, I showed them. Look, these are the wedding pictures that you take in China, and then you put it in your little like wedding book. I think it's like a registry, wedding registry book. So cute. Congratulations.
我哋其實冇 plan 住話要咁快結婚。
你有咗啊？
Yeah, that's what my mom said. That's what my mom said.
你突然之間又講我哋冇諗住咁快。
係啊，因為你又冇話要生小朋友，又冇話
唔知我咧睇下你，我又未結過婚嘅。你哋呢邊係點樣同我阿爸講？咁我阿爸同我阿媽講，咁我阿媽同我講。
Today we are at this little area called Dongshankou, or Dongsanhao. This is where my grandma grew up, where my great-grandpa grew up. Dad, did you grow up here too? 你都喺呢度 right? 曾經 grow up 過喺呢度. Yeah, there's a lot of shopping here
我
now.
哋以前即係屋企就喺嗰邊啊嘛，但係因為我翻學翻呢邊咪行過嚟呢邊嗱，呢棟樓呢係集咗新起。佢應該係呢度下面係咪啊？你呢度呢個以前係呢個係百貨公司啊嘛。
Yeah. Been a lot of development and changes over the years. Now this is like a pretty cool. 我都唔知啊。
喺百貨公司係入邊啊。
唔知啊，唔係啊，應該係自己一棟樓嘅。My dad keeps interrupting me. But yeah, really cool place. Definitely worth the check out. I think I vlogged this a couple vlogs ago.
啊，導航到這。
喺呢度啦。好，謝謝。This is China sizing. Everything is one size, and it's so small. My mom thinks this was a little weird.
呢個咪即係撈麵咯，豬手麵好啊，豬手還豬手啦，係咪嗰個？
They're matching in colors too. Every time they hear me talk, they think I'm
瑤
talking
雲
shit
吞
about
麵、
them.
鮑魚麵都有啊。豬油撈飯。
This wonton has little crab roe in it. 啲雲吞好食。
錢？
一樽25蚊。你冇咁慢乜先，飲淡咗啲。係啊，你咁嘅飲，肯定啊，你飲大啖啲飲。
都 OK 啦。
不過係佢嘅